Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. I'd like to speak with you today about why you should be working like Richard Branson. Now, what do I mean by saying that? Well, a couple things. First of all, as you may recall, back in, say, April or so, Richard Branson was pleading with governments, including perhaps the U.S. government, I'm not sure, but certainly the British government, for money to help keep Virgin, the airline, the international airline, alive. He was going to lose it all unless he got public funding. But Branson is apparently back on his feet, and he is still looking for money, but a different way. He's looking for, as I recall, billions in connection with his space launch vehicle venture. So, one thing about Branson is the guy never quits. He may be down, but he's never out. But that wasn't really the main point I wanted you to think about in connection with Mr. Branson. That's this. Branson owns hundreds of businesses, but Branson doesn't run any of the businesses. Branson hires people to run them for him. And most importantly, Branson hires people to work for him in those businesses. Money like Branson's isn't made by doing. It's made by orchestrating those who do. Now, in some professions, this is seemingly abhorrent. A manifestation of what I call the colleagues disease. We're all colleagues, all of you have input, all of you should have ownership. Well, that's fine, but you're never going to break out of the box doing that. You'll never break out of the box if all you are doing is the work itself. The work that you do, especially if you're a physician, is of course valuable, but it's not as valuable in terms of money, in terms of building a business empire, large or small, as orchestrating those who are actually the doers. Think about building something bigger for yourself.